Am I the only one that didn't know a tornado starts way before you see that spinning funnel? Seriously, it's not just about wind. Let's break down exactly how it all happens. All right, let's get right to the action. A tornado usually begins with a powerful thunderstorm called a supercell. Picture hot, moist air from the ground rushing up fast, while cold, dry air pushes down from above. The clash of these air masses creates huge instability in the atmosphere. Now, if strong winds at different heights blow in different directions, the air starts spinning horizontally like rolling a giant invisible log through the sky. But here's the twist. That spinning tube of air can get tilted upright by the rising storm. That's when things get real. As the storm feeds on more warm air, the rotating column stretches and tightens, spinning faster and faster. When this rotation reaches the ground, boom, a tornado is born. So what happens when a tornado tears through a city? Imagine winds up to 300 miles per hour. Trees are ripped from the earth, cars tossed like toys, and roofs peeled off in seconds. Glass shatters, debris flies everywhere. It's absolute chaos. The tornado's path is like a monster-sized blender, leaving behind a twisted trail of damage. So next time the sirens blare, you'll know exactly what's happening in the sky and why it's so important to take cover. Tornadoes are nature at its most intense, unpredictable and powerful, and always unforgettable. Stay safe, stay curious, and respect the storm.